Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly. I'm coming to you with a Dollar General deal that I am doing here. It is all paper coupons. I'm not really doing too many digital coupons this weekend. I am going to do a lot of paper ones because I got a lot of paper coupons to burn. Alright, if you see this 18 count or even this 45 count of the Hefty, they are $1.50. I have $1, if it will focus, $1 off when you purchase 2. So I have a total of 10. I have 6 of the 45s and 4 of the 18s, the heavy duty one. I also have these daisies that I found in clearance. So that's going to be $9 right there. And then I'm also going to grab one of these. I just didn't get a chance. My store has boxes all over the place. They're stocking. So I'm going to give me a 1 pack of Beggins, which is $2 with a $1 off coupon. All this is going to add up to $26. I have $19 in coupons, so I should be paying $7 for all of this. So let's see what will happen. Alright everyone, I am back home. I did not get a chance to record at the register simply because I don't have my daughter with me. No, thank goodness. But I didn't have extra hands. It was very busy in the store, and so I didn't want to have ask the cashiers to stop and let me put everything up so I can get ready and all, because they both were slammed. Both registers were slammed. So instead, I just came home. It started to rain and all, and so I am just gonna show you from here. Now here's my receipt for the Hefty deal. The Hefty deal, what you're gonna do is take 2 plates and then scan the coupon. I know I showed you a printable coupon. That printable coupon is good until November 30th, but we do have in our, I think it was November 10th, yeah, this past weekend, the Hefty coupons, $1 off when you purchase 2. That is good until December 31st. So I wanted to hold on to those and just use the ones that expired early. So what I did was scan 2, then the coupon. Scan 2, then the coupon. So we did that 5 times with the Hefty coupons. And then I gave her a paper 5 off 25. Then she scanned that. That was accepted. And then I handed her the Daisy Razor coupons and the begging strips. And my subtotal is $7 for 13 items with the savings of $19. So not bad. I have 10 of the paper plates, as well as 1 doggy treat and 2 razors to donate. I know a lot of people don't like to use razors, but I got a lot of paper coupons to burn, and if that's gonna get me a real low out of pocket, that is what I'm gonna do now. And it's great to throw those in just to lower. You don't have to. You can always pick other things. I haven't really been up on the Dollar General ad lately, or our digital coupons, so for the most part this is just what I'm going to do this weekend. Alright, on to the next. Alright, back with our next deal. I have 4 Gang Flings, and yes, I have paper coupons, $2 off coupons. The total for the 4 of them is $15.30. I also have a men's Dove, that is $4.50, and a woman's or regular Dove of $6. Altogether is total of $26.80. And if everything comes off, the 5 off 15 and 5 off 25, then my total will be $3.80, because I have a BOGO coupon of buy one get the men's free for $4.50, as well as $8 worth in game coupons. And if the 3 off 10 also comes off, then I should only be paying 80 cents. So let's see what happens. Alright, this is my game deal, and we have the 2 store discounts. They are stacking together. And like I said, my subtotal with everything being done is 80 cents. I did pay $1.66 with taxes, so a saving of $25.50 for 6 items. Cannot beat that. And she just rang up everything as normal. I punched in my number. I did not have to do the Dove, put the 2 and then the coupon, only because those were the only 2 I was using. Now, if you get a total of 4 bottles of the 2 regular Dove and 2 men's Dove, then yeah, you would have to scan 1 woman's, 1 men, then give them the coupon, and then they can ring up whatever else you have, press total, punch in your number, have the 5 off come off, and then at the end you can hand them your other paper coupon. It's just you can't hand 2 of them at the end, or multiple of them at the end. It has to be only 1 at the end after they total up and get all your discounts off. So just to let you know that for ahead of time. All right, on to the next. And look at my Yeti. Just because it's cold out here, he has on his little sweater. My Yeti. All right, now we're on to our next paper deal. I have 5 of these Snuggles, the 2-pack that are $5 a piece. I have 5 of them and they add up to $25. And with the savings of when you spend 12, you get $2 off. I'm going to get a total of $4 off. So right here, this is $25, but with the instant savings, it will bring it down to $21. I am matching this with the Fabuloso, which is buy 2 get 1 free. And altogether, this is going to be $26.70 before taxes. After all coupons are applied, I am going to hopefully pay $6.70 subtotal, right? And now we're going on to our next deal. I have 3 of these daisies, and so I'm going to use 3 of the $4 off coupons. And then we have our scrubbing bubbles, which the promotion on our scrubbing bubbles is when you spend 10 you get $3 off. Right now I have 4 of these bottles. They are $3.50 each, so this is going to be $14. So after the instant savings, $3 will come off, making it 11. So 11 plus those 3, and I have to throw in like a little candy that is 50 cents, should bring me right at $25, maybe a little over if the candy is like 60 cents or so. But after all coupons are applied, I should just pay around $5 and some change. All right, let's see what happens. All right, now we're on to the Renews It deal, the one that I got from Mr. Couponer. This one I did with the $5 ones simply because they had no $3 ones. So, the starter kits. So I got just the twin pack, and as you can see, both store coupons, they did come off, or I should say the instant savings, and then the 5 off 25 also came off. So you just ring up everything as normal. You don't have to do anything. You just put everything up there, let them scan all the items. Because it's a $3 off 1 coupon, it does not need to be scanned after each Renews It. So you just put up everything, and I use a paper 5 off 25 for this deal as well. And then as you can see, my Fabuloso has its own instant savings with the buy 1 get 1 free, or buy 2 get 1 free. And so now my subtotal is $6.70 for 8 items, and you can't beat that because you get this one. Yeah, I didn't put no razors in here. It's just the Renews It and just the Fabuloso. So you see, with the paper coupons, you could do the same deal with no razors and still get a nice low out of pocket and get everything that you need. So here it is, a lot of cleaning supplies, and some air fresheners, so your house doesn't smell like mothballs, like Mr. Coupon likes to say. Alright, and this is my last receipt. This one didn't go as well. It should have been $3 cheaper, but I had the cashier for the first 3 transactions, and then I had a different cashier, which he can be sometimes a little impatient and just keep pressing the button and things just don't ever seem to go right when I'm with him. But you know, it was my last deal, and I was going around so I can let everyone go because it was such a long line, and it started to rain, so it was like getting even longer in the store. And this was my very last transaction. Still not a bad deal, but it would have been great if it was $3 cheaper. But here we go. I threw in this gummy bears for 75 cents because I needed 50 cents or more. And you can see the razors, the scrubbing bubbles. I did the 2 bottles, did the $1.50 off coupon, and then 2 more $1.50 off coupon. The instant savings still should have came off because of I was still over the $10 mark. I would have been $11, but I don't know. He just kept pressing, and then it kind of like spazzed out for a minute and then popped up this way. I was like, whatever. So it came up to $8.25 subtotal for 8 items, savings of 20 bucks. Still not bad, but like I said, if he would be a little bit more patient, wouldn't have these issues. Anywho, I hope everyone's having a wonderful weekend. It's a lot cooler now, raining in some places, snowing in some places, and we're all getting nice and warm for the weather, right, Yeti? Yeti, are you gonna say hi? Say hi, Yeti. Anywho, he has his nice little sweater ready for the fall winter season, and that's pretty much it. All right, everyone. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.